everyone, Daphne here. Welcome to Good News Only, Hope Live. I am not great about planning ahead and scheduling when I'm going to be doing this event. I tried very hard during the Christmas season, but now I'm going to just get on, I think, at this point as much as I can. I want to tell you about something super fabulous this Friday. Have you heard of Night to Shine? It's an event organized by the Tim Tebow Foundation, a prom for those who have special needs. And so basically, the family comes, the children, mostly teenagers, get to party and have super much fun. There's a buddy that they're paired up with, and they get to dance the night away and just have a super good time. The families, the parents, especially moms, get a time in a parent room where they get to be blessed and encouraged. And I decided, thanks to the encouragement of some other Trades of Hope partners who have been doing this, to provide gifts from Trades of Hope to the families, especially to the parents. So I have an unboxing here of all the gifts that are going to be given. So are you ready to see what is going to be given? It was so exciting. I mean, I have this huge list of products that are going to people, and I'm going to raise this a little bit so that my head is not totally cut off. Okay, so what do we have? I have not opened this box other than, to get rid of this thing. Okay, so we have lots of, oh yes, I thought these were perfect. These are called not the Night to Shine, the Star Stud set. So the Star Stud set right here is this cute set of stars. Isn't that perfect for Night to Shine? If you are going to Night to Shine in the San Jose area, I think Mountain View specifically, don't look, because then you won't be surprised. Okay, so these cute little stars, shooting stars, and these are the I forgot the name of these earrings, but so I should probably open up so you can see a little bit better. Dewdrop chain stitch, of course. I can't remember what I ordered when I did this order. These dewdrops, so it's got this chain here so it like loops, okay, with a cute little. I've eyed these for a long time. It's just out of self-control and not trying to overspend. Oh, these are hair clips. The Fiesta hair clips. So I figured some families really like hair clips, and they're super easy to put in. It's just, like an alligator clip kind of thing. So to add some color to their lives. These bracelets. And yeah, I forgot the name of that one. My husband always says, Daphne, you really need to know the names of your products when you're talking about them, but I just don't always remember. Oh wait, these are the shooting stars. Let me show you the difference between these two earrings. So these are the yes, okay. This is the Star Stud set. 2 sets, 1 silver, 1 gold, and then this is the shooting star. So see, it's like a little. Can you see? It's like a little star, a big star, little star, tiny star. So like the shooting stars. And so yeah, I think these are great for Night to Shine with that theme. Here's some more of the shooting stars. I got a lot of the shooting stars. This is. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to open this up very well, but this is going to be the it's called a floating frame. So it's just, you know what I mean, where it's not the actual like frame, but it's like the glass part, okay? And you can, or no, there's a frame, but you don't have to put the art piece specifically in a specific spot. It can float anywhere within the square. And then so I thought, maybe some home decor would be nice, simple to do. I have some. These are scarves. Which scarf is this? This is the golden woven scarf. some green tea, fair trade green tea, because it helps to know where your tea comes from. And I have more green tea, more green tea. Oh, I got these because this is super special. Because one of our artisan groups is a special needs artisan group. Many of them are in wheelchairs, and in Kenya, it's really hard to get around. If you are someone in a wheelchair in the United States and there are difficulties getting in, it's nothing like other countries. So these are from Kenya, and they are made by this lovely woman, Alice. So, yeah, so you can see her story here that she's from Kenya, and it's hard to be disabled there, treated poorly. But because of this artisan group, she feels like a person, and she can even send her adopted daughter and orphaned niece to school, thanks to this artisan group. That is called the, maybe those are the Ava earrings? Okay. And, oh, this is the Elevate necklace. So what's special about Elevate necklace is the following. It's one of our giving necklaces. Giving necklaces means not only are you helping to create jobs by purchasing products made by women who can earn a living wage, but Trades of Hope is generously also donating part of the proceeds to Elevate Academy, which is an online healing and training program for anyone who has been trafficked. They receive counseling and therapy, but also job training so that they don't have to be known by their past, but can be known with a future. More of those earrings, more of those earrings, more of the Elevate necklace. This is the 1723. This is the, oh, it's a dish. So yeah, I'm not going to open it up because I want them to be able to open it up. We have not only the green tea, but we have cacao tea. And I also bought coffee samples. Do you guys like coffee? Have you guys tried our Trades of Hope coffee? It comes from Guatemala, where, you know, I went to Guatemala in October, and just seeing the process of how they really take care of their coffee beans. I'm not even a coffee drinker, but it's pretty amazing that they really take care of their employees. This is, you know, coffee is a big money-making business, right? But they don't just try and slough out the coffee so that they can make a buck. They provide insurance and health care to all of the people that work on the coffee plantation. This is the bee coffee dish, very cute. So you can put some little pieces of candy here. And I also bought some journals. It's the Peacock Journal, so I know you can't really see through it, so I apologize for that. One of my friends who will be there, and she is also a mom with a daughter who has special needs. She said that her daughter gifted her with a journal recently, and it reminded her, and I think some coffee too or tea, but it reminded her to take time to take care of herself as well. So that's why I got all the coffee, tea, and some journals. And then finally, it's kind of hard to reach. But this, oh no, that's one of the journals. I have a few other things in here, but I'm going to have to separate it all. But I just wanted to say thank you for supporting Trades of Hope, because it gives me the opportunity to also take care of and bless these families at Night to Shine. I'm going to be there on Friday to be able to bless these women, and I will take lots of pictures and videos so you can see. So if you are a supporter already of Night to Shine, or you would like to know more about it, just Google Night to Shine and you'll learn more about how to really bless these families. Take care. Bye.